Well, yesterday I went to AutoZone and I picked out 5 of the most famous anti-friction products that are on the market today.
The following is an actual Timken bearing test between Z-Max, Mobil 1, Syntec, Slick 50, Duralube, and TVT Greenstar. A small bearing is mounted into the tester. The tester is designed with a double cantilever weight system. The longer lever is 10:1. The shorter lever is 2.5:1. That multiplies the weight actually applied to the bearing contact point by a factor of 25. The first bearing test is with Z-Max. The product is poured over the test surface and then applied to the bearing surface.
And we go.
The bearing failed in less than 10 seconds, with less than 17 pounds added to the platform. Visual examination of the bearing after the Z-Max test indicates catastrophic failure of the product to protect the metal from friction. The second bearing test is with Mobil 1. The product failed in less than 10 seconds. The visual examination clearly showed catastrophic failure. The third test is with Syntec. The product failed in less than 12 seconds with only 12 pounds on the platform. Again, visual examination indicated catastrophic failure. The fourth test is with Slick 50. The product failed in less than 1 second. The fifth test is with Duralube. After 10 seconds with 29 pounds on the platform, the product protected the bearing. Only minor damage to the bearing was observed. TVT anti-friction metal treatment was the next test. With only a thin film of TVT applied to the bearing was fully protected with 29 pounds on the platform. Finally, sand was applied directly to the bearing surface. Again, a thin film of TVT protected the bearing. Even after 30 seconds, with more than 175 pounds of force on the sandy test surface, the TVT continued. Finally, 750 pounds of force was applied, and still the TVT protected the bearing against the sandy surface. No catastrophic failure was observed.
17 to now.
17 to start.
17.
And we're still running full load.
Oh, the weight, correct.
Full load.
Yeah.
We're still running.
Absolutely.
Still running.
Where's sand
Ready?
in there?
With sand.
Sure, absolutely.
We'll add this up in a minute. Okay. And obviously there's not a whole lot of wear on that bearing.
As a final comparison, sand was applied to the test surface with Duralube. Catastrophic failure occurred within 2 seconds of applying the test pressure.
Right there. Okay.
TVT Greenstar was the clear winner when compared against the 5 best-selling lubrication additives.